Hello everyone! Today I quickly want to jump in to talk about my new favorite note-taking app and the only one that was actually able to replace Evernote for good. And the app I'm talking about today is Notion. And Notion is like Evernote and Slack combined but better. So everything works with workspaces. A workspace functions like a main notebook in Evernote, but besides incorporating notes, it also incorporates other users' notes, discussion, and commenting options. One thing I really enjoy about Notion is that you can quickly switch workspaces without leaving the app, without having to sign in with another account, and so on. So it's really easy to manage different parts of your life that you share with different users just by clicking that button on the left upper corner of your screen and selecting the workspace you want to work on. Also, even if you share workspace with other people, you always have a shared section and a private section for your own pages that cannot be seen by other users. A great thing about Notion is that the writing style happens via blocks instead of a whole page. So blocks mainly act as a paragraph of text or as a template. These are all movable, so you use a click and drag mechanic that makes it ridiculously simple to organize everything. So there's no need of deleting, copying and pasting information if you want to reorder the structure of your notes. Also, breaking down pages for different topics is really easy because the main page will always have the links for the sub-pages, and then you just need to click whatever topic you want to read more about. Also, Notion operates via a template base, and this means that every time you create a new blog, you don't have to automatically create text. Notion offers you the ability to create different things inside your notes, like images, spreadsheets, citations, to-do lists, galleries, videos, and so on. You can also use these templates to create pages on the go, like if you want to include a calendar, Notion will create a full-sized calendar for you that you can incorporate into your notes. In the same way, you can easily embed things from external apps like Google Drive, Maps, Figma files, and so on. And as you've imagined, linking files works seamlessly, and you can also incorporate things from your Google Drive account inside your notes, and then you just have to click it, and then Notion will send you to the external file that you can download into your device right away. Also, I need to mention the minimalistic design that makes writing have no distractions whatsoever. It works very seamlessly, it's very simple, and it's very easy to understand how your notes are structured and how you can easily access different workspaces. On the other hand, if minimalistic design is not for you, you also have the ability to assign icons and covers to pages, and that allows you to visually organize and identify notes better if you are more of a visual learner. And I think that the best thing about Notion is that they have a solid free version. So with the free version you have a limit of 1000 breaks, but if you overcome that limit you can simply delete breaks you don't need anymore, so those paragraphs with things like to-dos or calendars that are no longer required in your workspace, or you can simply create a new workspace. And since you can switch back and forth between them so easily, I think this is a great option for people who do not want to pay a premium version. I was actually using Evernote and paying for the premium account because it was the only way I was able to access my account in 3 different devices, so in my case my phone, my computer and my iPad, without having to sign off in one device to sign in another. And that was something really annoying. I was basically paying almost $40 a year just to be able to sign in on a 3rd device. And with Notion, I don't have that problem anymore. I don't need to pay for a premium service that I actually do not use. And finally, I was able to switch note-taking apps. I will link it down below, and I swear this is not paid, this is not sponsored. I really enjoy this app, and I'm so happy that someone finally developed a note-taking app that actually fits my needs. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we'll have a new productivity and organization video, so I'll see you then. Bye!